Stop watching more, man. And carry news. So, no matter.
It's Mouta Massi, bringing you the latest happenings in dancehall and reggae music. Welcome, it's Mouta Massi, and here are the stories making the cut for today. JPS customers have been hit with an almost 1% increase in their bills since last year to cover electricity illegally extracted from the company. Last year, JPS lost just over 28 million US dollars, that is 4.3 billion Jamaican dollars, through electricity theft. This pushed the amount paid by legitimate customers to cover electricity theft from 17% to 17.91%. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? While we're on the topic of JPS, the Observer posted this footage of lightning igniting a fire along electricity lines over in Black River. Check this out.
Yes, peeps, current situation in Black River. The light wire is under fire right now. See there? JPS, where are you? Step up to the game. Problem there, Black River, peeps. See there? The look on the seat. See there? Current situation in Black River. See that burn off there? A fire that, you know? Fire they are going, you know? See their fire.
Go! Yay!
That's right!
Yay! 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 Yay!
Massive. So, Vibes Kartel and Lisa hyperlinked up. And my dears, some people have some things to say about it.
That feel good here. That feel good.
Beer in the theater. Beer in the theater. Nicoladi. Active. You hear that?
Look the vibes,
Yeah, TikTok. Fully active. I look over his face. Deaf. You mean? Man, they are drinking the whole of the Hennessy. None left. Heard? Fully active. Gaza. Heard?
Someone said that throat they look personal, so see them, no see them. See why she not like Shorty, cause she always want the woman man. Someone said Nalisa baptized the other day. Well. She probably a celebrate massive. She's very happy, said the world boss. They are road and she just a celebrate. What wanna think? Wanna think say she want piece of Kartel same way? Or she just genuinely happy to be around him? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.
This is summer baby. You know what I mean? Yeah. So stop watching more, man. I'm watching a look at what this man. And some of them mama man go watching a one girl. Stop watching more, man. And carry news. So no matter. I'm out.
Vibes Kartel names his top 5 dancehall lyricists. Check out this clip.
So it was what? Do it there. Assassin. Labas, Skilly Bang, Massacre. The dog them a fi live. Remember that.
Tifa says she doesn't mind being no one's type because she's a vibe. She's a whole energy. Check this out.
So quite a few times in my life, I've heard, oh, why her? Why her? Why her? Why do you choose her? She's not your type. She's not this. She's not that. Like, a lot of people don't see me as a whole person because they see my legs. I don't see my legs. I can walk, I can run, I can dance, I can skip, I can ride a bicycle, I can have sex. I can do all of the things that alleged normal people do. So, what do you mean? And then I don't aspire to be a type. A type can be copied. A type can be duplicated. I'm never a type. I was never a type. I'm a vibe. I'm a different energy. Vibes and energy cannot be duplicated, but a type can. Did it ever occur that maybe I attract the endorsements, I attract men, even women, I attract the things I attract because I'm not a type. I am not normal. I'm not your typical girl. I don't wear the typical clothes. I don't have sex like how regular people have sex. I don't listen to conversations like how regular people listen to conversations, or have conversations like how regular people have conversations. I just do me. Maybe that's what attracts people to me, is because I am me. I'm just regular Tifa that goes on her adventures every day, that strives to have fun and strives to make the best out of life and enjoy life every single day. Maybe that's what attracts people. Maybe that's what attracts the things I have to me. So whether I win or lose, whether I get a booking or don't get a particular booking, whether me and a man stay together or don't stay together, I will always be remembered because I wasn't one of the duplicated types. I was an energy. I was a vibe. And whether them hate me or love me, I will never be forgotten because guess what? I wasn't a common type. I was a vibe.
Cranny gal, hot gal no mix with no cranny.
Right, this is Tifa. Right, this out. So that's it for today, Massive Montana. Big up on a nice clean self. Enough love, enough respect. Blessings upon blessings upon blessings. Positive vibrations going out to the Massive. I'm Mouta Massi. Magan.
Mouta Massi. Mouta Massi. Covering the latest in Jamaican music and culture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe now.